Hello friends, Amga, Online Media Guru Academy, is welcome you again. Today we are going to learn how to make low image resolution to high image resolution in Photoshop using Preserve Details 2.0. Preserve Details 2.0 is only available in the Photoshop CC version, so if you are using the CC version then you should know about this. Let's start. Go to File, open an image and check its size first. You can see here image width is 333px and height is 500px. Most of the people do like to make resolution 300px then increase the width, height, etc. You no need to do like this if you are using the Adobe Photoshop CC version. Just cancel it. Go to Edit, see Preferences. Inside the Preferences see Technology Previews, and then check Enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale. This is a new technology in the latest Photoshop CC. Now again go to Image Size. Now you able to see the Preserve Details 2.0. Now increase resolution to 300px 5000 and see the details. Hey, see there Preserve Details 2.0 is automatically added in the select box. You can check the differences between others too by selecting others listed there. Adjust noise to look good. That's it. Wow. Now you can do some more activity to clean your image. Using Spot Healing Brush tool, select the brush, adjust its size and click where you want to fix it. You can see the result. You can also change the color balance. Click Adjustment and again click Color Balance and adjust what you want to color tone adjust.